Hello everybody, welcome back to Aktiha Drawing Academy, and this is me Aktiha. I read in class 1 and today I will draw a very easy girl backside drawing, and if you like it, please try it at home. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the like button. Like. This is the like button. Ding ding. Done.
I've been treading water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel? Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, I'll follow you to carry on. On the break Where is the water taking me? Trying hard, bittersweet. Cabin fever's pulling me. I want to hold on to something greater. I feel the waves come crashing in. I'm drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, 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 draw me, gravity to the bottom of the sea. Making waves, I'm making waves to leave this place. I'm drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, drowning, drowning. Drowning, 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 drowning,
like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream